Hello, everybody. It's Teacher Mark, and this is the reading lesson for today. Um, it's a little different today because normally we read and we're looking for words we don't know and things like that. Today, I was just gonna read. The reading part for today is a little longer. A lot of it's talking, so I think it looks longer than it actually is, but I just wanted you guys to relax. And, reading is usually supposed to be a fun thing, an enjoyable thing. And at school, we're at a desk and we're sitting there and we have our books. One nice thing about distance learning is you can get comfortable to read. So I was thinking that's what we could do today. Just have a nice, easy day, do some reading. Today, Augie, he's going to meet some students at the school. This is the thing he's been thinking about, I think, for most of the novel so far. So it's interesting, I think, to see how people react when they see him, because he's been thinking about it and worrying about it. And then when it finally happens, you get to see how it goes. Like, is it as bad as he thinks, or are people really nice, and that sort of thing. So it may not seem like a big deal just meeting some people, but for him, it's really, really important. It's something he's been thinking about. So even some of the things that he says when he's talking to the principal before he meets the students today, he could tell he just sounds nervous and that sort of thing. So yeah, there's really no assignment to turn in for the reading today. I just wanted you guys to relax and have fun. The only thing I would tell you is next week we're going to do a little project, sort of, where we're going to talk about some things that we think are ordinary about Augie and some things that are kind of different. If you remember, the very first chapter that we read was called Ordinary. And if you remember what that means, it just means normal. So Augie does some things that everyone does, but he also does things that are kind of different, or he might look different. So next week we're going to take those ideas and we're going to make them look real nice. And I was thinking we could draw a picture of August. What do you think he looks like? Because so much of the story has to do with that, is what his appearance is. So I think we all have an idea of what he might look like. So this is just something to think about, because next week we're going to do a little project that involves ways that August is sort of ordinary and ways that he's a little different. But don't worry about that stuff today. Just something to keep in your mind. For today, just read, enjoy, and have a good time. And I believe shortly after you see this, we'll hopefully be connecting on our virtual chat today. So I hope you guys have a good time. I'll hopefully see you real soon. Take care.